Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to find the solution for this problem. The given problem is find the voltage across 5 ohm resistor and find the voltage VAB. Okay, and the given data is the voltage across this 10 ohm resistor is how much? 45 volts. So you can see here I have drawn in two colors to make you very clear. So this network can be redrawn as shown below. Okay, so here we are having A and here we are having B. Okay, so this black colored one and red colored one I'm going to draw separately. So the red colored one I have 30 ohm at a junction point C, and here it is nothing but a 10 ohm, and here it is nothing but 30 ohm, and this voltage will be my VAB voltage. And now this black color I am drawing, so this is moving from A to D, so this is some point D. So A to D, this value is 5 ohm, and B to D it is having 20 ohms. Okay, so and in the question it is given as the voltage across the 10 ohm is how much? This voltage given in the problem is 45 volts. Let's try to use voltage division rule. Okay, so how to find the voltage division rule, or how to apply the voltage division rule is already. Let's try to find out the voltage division, I mean voltage at 10 ohm resistor by applying voltage division rule. The formula for voltage division is total voltage multiplied with the same resistor where voltage is required divided by the sum of resistors which are connected in series. Okay, so here 10 and 30 are connected in series, and next branch 5 and 20 are connected in series. So what is the voltage across 10 given in the problem is 45 volts. What is the total voltage as per the problem? So the voltage across 10 is total voltage. What is the total voltage? Voltage VAB, and at this point I require what is the resistance at 10 ohm, which I mean is nothing but the resistance at 10 ohm is nothing but 10 same resistor 10 ohm divided by the sum of resistors which are connected in series. What are those two resistors? 30 plus 10. Then we can find out VAB. Okay, so when you perform it, it's nothing but 45 into 40 divided by 10. Then you are going to get the value of VAB is equal to 180 volts. So successfully we had find the value of VAB is how much? 180 volts. And now we need is asking us find the voltage across 5 ohm resistor. So how to find the voltage at 5 ohm resistor is as per the formula total voltage. What is the total voltage we have is VAB. So here we require the drop. What is the resistance in this branch is 5 ohm. So this is nothing but same resistor is 5 ohm divided by the sum of resistors, which is nothing but 5 plus 20. So you may confuse that. You should not take complete loop. This is the total voltage and these two branches are only connected in series. That's why you have to do 50 plus 20. Don't do the mistake like adding 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 30. It's not required for you. So already voltage across 5 we need to find out. Already VAB is how much? 180 into 5 divided by 25. So automatically we are going to get the value as how much? 36 volts. This is how to solve the problem. Very simple. Just mark the terminals A, B, C and mark the terminals A, D, B and apply the voltage. This way of application is called voltage division rule. Total voltage is VAB multiplied with same branch resistance is 10 ohm divided by 30 plus 10. The same formula also we are applying here. Total voltage is VAB and we are applying the voltage division rule across the branch 5 ohm. So the same resistor value is how much? 5 ohm divided by the sum of resistors which are connected in series. This is how to handle the problem and how to get the answer. Hope you are able to understand. So just by observing this video, nothing you will get, just you have to see the method how I applied voltage division rule and how I created a clarity in solving this problem. You understood the method of solving the problem. If you feel the content is useful, please like the video, which will be an help to us, and share with your friends. And if you have any doubts, let me know through comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel KV Thulasi Ram. And this is a free channel for the development of students and faculty, which will help you to understand more. Yours obediently, Ramesh. Will meet in the next video.